What if I told you that you don't need to buy a desktop PC to get a desktop experience? That laptop sitting on your desk right now could become a full workstation with multiple screens, a proper keyboard and mouse, one cable connectivity, better audio, and even a cleaner cable-free setup. And the best part? You can switch from portable laptop to full desktop setup in seconds. Today, I'm going to show you 5 upgrades that can transform almost any compatible laptop into a desktop-style workstation. And wait until you see what happens when we connect everything. Before starting the video, the product buy links are in the video description. Let's build it. Before we add anything else, there's one thing we can't forget: the laptop itself. Because every upgrade in this setup depends on one question: can your laptop actually handle it? You don't necessarily need the most expensive laptop. What matters is having enough performance, RAM, fast storage, and the right connectivity to support the way you work. Ideally, you'll want USB-C with display and charging support, especially if you're planning to connect everything through a docking station. If you're looking for a new laptop for this kind of setup, I've also linked some recommended laptops for work, gaming, and content creation in the description. The beauty of this setup is that the laptop stays your main computer. At home, it powers your entire desktop workstation. When you need to leave, unplug one cable, close the lid, and take the same computer with you. One laptop, 2 completely different experiences. And now, let's build the setup around it. First, we need to give your laptop some serious screen real estate: an external monitor. And this is probably the single biggest upgrade you can make. Instead of working on one small laptop display, you can have a much larger screen right in front of you. You can keep your main work on the monitor and use your laptop screen for email, messaging, research, or anything else you need. And if you really want to go all in, you can add a second monitor. Suddenly, your laptop isn't just a laptop anymore. It's powering a multi-screen workstation. When choosing a monitor, pay attention to screen size, resolution, refresh rate, connectivity, and your laptop's video output. And if you're using your laptop for productivity, a good quality 27-inch monitor can be a great sweet spot. But there's a problem. Once you add a monitor, your laptop is sitting awkwardly on the desk. That's where a laptop stand comes in. A good stand raises your laptop and brings the screen closer to eye level. It also frees up valuable space underneath. And here's the important part: if you're using an external keyboard and mouse, you don't actually need to type directly on the laptop anymore. Your laptop becomes the computer powering the setup, while your desk starts feeling like a real desktop workstation. Look at the difference. Same laptop, completely different workspace. Look for a stand that's stable, adjustable, and strong enough for your laptop. And if you're constantly traveling, a foldable stand can give you the best of both worlds. Now let's make this setup actually feel like a desktop. Add a proper external keyboard and mouse. You'll get a more comfortable typing position, more desk space, and better control. For a clean setup, go with a wireless keyboard and mouse. And if you're a gamer, a mechanical keyboard can add both performance and personality. But there's still one problem. How do you connect everything without creating a cable mess? That's where the next upgrade comes in. This little device could be the secret weapon of your entire setup. A USB-C docking station lets you connect your monitor, keyboard, mouse, storage, Ethernet, and other accessories through one central hub. One cable connects your laptop to everything. And here's the best part: when it's time to leave, just unplug one cable, grab your laptop, and go. Come back, plug it back in, and your full desktop setup is ready again. Before buying, check the dock's ports, display support, power delivery, data speeds, and compatibility with your laptop. Now we've got the performance. Let's make the setup feel premium. Add compact desktop speakers or a good pair of headphones for better audio, whether you're working, gaming, or creating content. Then add a quality desk lamp or monitor light for focused illumination. And for that premium look, add subtle ambient lighting behind the monitor or under the desk. So let's put everything together. We started with one laptop, added an external monitor, laptop stand, keyboard and mouse, a USB-C dock, and better audio and lighting. And now, it doesn't feel like a laptop sitting on a desk. It feels like a complete desktop workstation. And this is why this setup makes so much sense. You don't have to choose between portability and productivity. At home, your laptop becomes your full desktop workstation. When you need to leave, unplug one cable, close the laptop, and go. Your desk stays, your computer travels. So if you already have a capable laptop, you may not need a separate desktop PC. With the right monitor, laptop stand, keyboard and mouse, docking station, and a few finishing touches, you can build a powerful desktop-style setup around the laptop you already own. I've linked the recommended products in the description so you can check the latest prices and options. Now I'm curious, would you turn your laptop into a desktop setup, or would you still choose a dedicated PC? Let me know in the comments. And for more tech gadgets, desk setups, and smart workspace upgrades, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.